How to fast forward a video in iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. On this page, you can view all your projects on iMovie. Then, tap on the movie option at the bottom. You can make a movie from scratch using media from photos and your camera. Once you're here, select the video you want to add and then tap on Create Movie below. You can now edit this video using the edit options below. Select the video and then tap on the timer icon from the bottom panel. Drag the slider to the right to 2x to increase the speed of the video. Then, tap on play to get a preview. After that, go to the top left corner and tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily fast forward a video in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.